All right, so now that you've finished your video, the next step is to generate it. So for a minute video, you're gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes to generate the video. You'll then get a video that you can preview, you can download, and you can share. So when you download it, it's gonna give you an MP4 file, and you can pretty much just take that file and upload it. You have an option to create captions baked into the video, which I think is very helpful because some people just don't get the full message sometimes unless there's actual text on top, overlaid on top of the video. So that is another option. So I'm going to demo to you how you can use the video that this platform produces for you into a video editor like Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro to make further alterations to it. Maybe you want to extend the video, maybe you want to add to that video, or maybe you want to do additional effects that you just can't do from the platform because it does have some limitations. So we're going to jump into Final Cut Pro for Mac users and Premiere Pro for Mac or Windows users to see how you can further enhance your AI generated video.
Hey, and welcome back. So this is a video that has already been generated and it's ready to download. If you want to enable sharing, you can check the box. And if you click yes, you have a shareable link. You can also enable allowing duplicates, which might be helpful if you want to modify an existing video. You can export the captions. Let's just say you didn't get the captions baked in. You can just download the captions in a SRT file if you want to bring them in, let's just say onto YouTube or your video editor. Now you can just download it as a regular MP4 file. By default, it creates a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution video for you. You also have the options to remove it. If you had issues with pronunciation or pauses, you can click here. And if you want to view the scripts, you can do so here. So this was a multi-slide video. And you also have the option to place a call to action here. Let's just say you want to share the video and you want to click a button for someone to do something after they watch the video. So this is a fully generated video. So you can see the movement in her lips and her gestures. Now, one thing you may want to do for the future, especially if you've spent a lot of time creating a video, is you can create a template with it. So I'm going to click the Create Template button. And now I've got a template for this type of crypto and tech update video in the future. So let's just say if I want to do an update for this week, I would just simply swap out the dates and I can just update the script. And this is a multi-scene video, so it's got 6 slides. I'll just take you through them. This actually took some time to create, so it's great that I'm able to create a template out of it. So the last screen, this is a call to action. This is something that you may want to do if you have a YouTube video, and you know that's always going to stay the same. So it's just a great time saver. So now that you have the template, you can publish it, right? And now you can create videos from this template just like we did with the others. So it'll be under templates on the left-hand side under my templates. So there we go. So we can create a future video from that template, and that will not modify the original templates, and we can create additional scenes. And then from these scenes, we can even select particular slides and modify them. So there we go. That's how we can download a video and the different options we have after the video is generated. And we've also covered creating your own template from your videos. So that concludes the bulk of creating your video on Synthesia. Hope you found this really helpful, and feel free to ask any questions in the course.